we are back for another video. It is our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. I kid you not, this past month I was like, I could have swore I just did a July unboxing, and I feel like they're getting super quick, and they're just like, the months just keep getting faster and faster, and soon enough it's gonna be Halloween, then Thanksgiving, Turkey Day, and then Christmas, and I'm not ready for that. Today's video is going to be an exciting one because you guys, I love unboxings as much as you guys do. We are doing our Boxycharm unboxing. I was looking through my emails and I can't seem to find a shipment confirmation from my Boxycharm. And if you guys didn't know, last month I did do like a paid box versus a PR box because I do get one sent from Boxycharm, but I also have my own subscription service. So I like to have two separate boxes so I can just kind of see the variation. And since I haven't gotten a shipment confirmation of my own box that I've purchased from, I have a feeling that this might be the PR box. So there should be, hopefully, possibly another PR box, or there should be another box coming, or unboxing I should say, coming up. So if you guys see that, FYI, it will be coming. But today's video nonetheless is a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. It is a good time. If you guys didn't know, I love these. I love unboxings here on my channel. They're some of my favorites, and we're just gonna get diving into it. You guys know the drill because I'm sure you guys come back for these videos. If you guys wanna know all the information on how to subscribe to Boxycharm, what it entails, how much it costs, all that good stuff, I link it down below so that we can get right into this video. My makeup is not as great as it should be. I've been at school all day with the kiddos. I've been helping out at the school, so I've been wearing a mask all day, so I feel like it definitely took a lot of the makeup off. This month's theme is called Spa, Glamping, Sunbathing, Yoga, and Slumber. So here is this month's little card, and then on the back side is all the information. I have variation number 12. I do get questions asked about the weight of my package. I had no idea they were sending me this box. I had no shipment information. I haven't received anything from Boxycharm, so this was all like out of the blue, and there's nothing in there, so I don't even know how to track the order. I tried to track it on USPS. I tried like implementing these numbers into their like tracking system, and I can't pull up any information for it, so I do apologize. Let's go ahead and get started into it. The very first thing I see here are some brushes. These are Morphe brushes. This is the Morphe I Got This brush collection. There's a set of 4 brushes. It is the 4-piece eye brush set. I do have a lot of Morphe brushes. If you guys have been here on my channel for a while, then you guys know I did Morphe unboxings because they do have a subscription service. It is the Live Glam service, and through them you can get like part of their brush club is a bunch of Morphe brushes. You pay like 20 bucks a month and you get a shipment of brushes sent to you every month. So I do still have that account, but I ended up putting mine on pause. I will say that I've never received any brushes like this. Morphe brushes for me are definitely like hit and miss. So this one here, which is like their gunmetal line, is really good. I find that these hold up really well. This is the one I really like. So any of the ones that are like the rose gold handles are some of my favorite brushes. I just find them to work the best. Some of their brushes, like the more inexpensive ones, in my opinion, tend to not work as well, like this right here, which is just our like basic plain ones. These tend to get really scratchy really quickly, and they tend to fall apart very, very quickly. Just saying that there are some good brushes from Morphe, but then there's also some duds. Here are the 4 brushes that you're gonna get. So you get like this fluffy crease brush, and then you get like a liner brush. You've got this more detailed, a very precise brush. Would be perfect for like cut creases or applying shadow on the lid. And this one here would be perfect for like more detailed work. It is a good set of brushes to have as far as like an eye brush collection goes. Next up I have here is called Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Cleansing Foam. Says that it contains real charcoal powder that purifies the skin and patented botanical ingredient that's supposed to calm and tighten pores. Next up I have is by QMS. This is the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, and it's got that bright blue packaging to it. I currently am using the QMS eye cream that we got in our box, and that one was one that I was like, I have to test, because I want to say that that one was supposed to retail for like $125 or something like that, and I was like, this is supposed to be a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. It's supposed to blur imperfections to reveal a visibly glowing even skin. I have never been sold on a tinted day cream, only because of the fact that I have a lot of imperfections and I'm very I'll be honest, I'm very self-conscious of my scarring and stuff. Is this thing ever gonna come out? Because of that, I don't ever dive into anything that's like a light to sheer coverage. I'm like medium to full coverage all the time. Okay, I don't know if this is ever gonna come out. I mean, that's not like bad. It's pretty close. It smells like top ramen, which sounds so freaking bomb right now. So here it is blended out. It gives a nice like glow to the skin. I would say and suspect that if I was to use this at all, kind of just like a base before I go in with my foundation, if anything, just to like complexion to clear, you know, like to give an even base and then maybe like spot conceal with other things. I don't know. It's not, well, I'll try it out, but it's not really my cup of tea. So the next thing I have here is called Thank Me Later, and it is a eyeshadow primer. Isn't that pretty? Look at the packaging on that. It's got like this matte pink packaging. It's just a clear primer for your lid. This is by the brand Elizabeth Mott. So the last thing I have in this palette, the last thing I have in this box is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. Guys, this is like my color story right here. You've got your neutrals and then you've got your like colorful colors right here. But not only that, you've got your purples, which you guys know I love, and my blues. And I love a good purple shadow. And I've really been falling in love with blue. Blue and green have been like my two new favorite things to play around with. Let's do some swatching really quickly. My hand is actually primed. This is called Beige. You can see you're just right there. Not really a whole lot. Then we move into Clay. So that's Rose Gold. Then you have Chocolate Brown. I decided to do that one more time because the first swatch wasn't that great. This one here is called Bronze. Wild Orchid. It's right here. Oh, this is what I'm super excited about. Blue Violet. Right there. You got Aqua. Oh my goodness, you guys. Super excited for this one also. This is called Blue Sky. It's like this bright blue. And then lastly we have is Copper. All of the shades, neutral tones. These colorful ones are quite nice. I would definitely say that if you're gonna play around with these, I probably would recommend a bright like white base to use just so that you can really make these colors pop. Some of them feel a little bit harder than others. I don't know if just because I'm using my fingers or whatnot. Like this one here, which is that Aqua, is kind of difficult to use my fingers. So I would probably say to maybe use like a synthetic brush or something if you're applying it on your lid. Just for me personally, this is definitely like right up my alley. So I love these kind of colors. I think this is a great palette because I myself, like during the day, would play around with these, but like maybe on the weekends or if I'm going out or I just want to have a little bit of fun, I could definitely play it up with like colors that I really do enjoy. There's a good array of mattes in here. You've got 4 mattes in here and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sort of shimmer metallic shades in here. So you've got some room to play with, but I do like that they offered 3 matte neutral shades to, you know, grasp like an easy look to do. That is everything from this box. So let's just recap really quickly. The QMS Tinted Day Cream does retail for $105. This is what I'm talking about. Like I said, the eye cream I'm using right now, I swear to you, retail for like $123. And that's why I'm testing it, because I was like, the fuck? Honestly, $105 for Tinted Day Cream. It's an okay box. It's not necessarily the best box I've received from Boxycharm. I would say that for me, the biggest hit has got to be the eyeshadow palette. I always just get really excited when I get an eyeshadow palette in a box in general. But make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel. And make sure to turn on your notifications so that way when I upload another unboxing here on my channel, you guys are aware, or any other videos. I do appreciate you guys coming by. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful afternoon, morning, evening, whatever it is. Please stay safe, take care, social distance. I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.